also have to keep in mind that right now, in the next hour and a half, there's going to be a press conference with the Bank of England. So you might find GJ is going to be very erratic, or any pound pair will be erratic for the next hour and a half. So my advice is to sit back and just relax for a bit. Let the market make the decision on the impact of that press conference. You don't need to guess the impact. You don't need to fantasize about whether the price is going up or down. Let the institutions set the price for the market, and you finish in second place. So at 9:30, if there's drastic bad news about the pound and the pound starts going down, you can then easily take a sell position and ride the coattails of the larger institutions instead of trying to guess now and having things not play out accordingly. This is the advantage of working for yourself and also managing your own trades, is you don't have to take a trade right away because there's no person or there's no boss telling you that we have a quota to hit. So if you don't think that today's a good trading day, you take the day off, whereas a professional institutional trader always has to be in the market doing something, managing positions, managing trades, looking at new opportunities. This is the most flexible job that you can have. If you don't like the conditions, you don't play in them. Be selective and take quality over quantity. And the more that you do that, the better off you're going to feel. Because as an example, I took one trade today. I don't have to worry about what's going to happen in the market again. But what I can do is I can anticipate now and say, hey, around 9:30, maybe I want to take a look and see what's going on with GJ. There might be an opportunity for me to catch a bit of that tail end action from that press conference. Maybe there's an opportunity there, so I'll evaluate the situation. If not, I can go on with my day. I don't have to worry about trying to be in the market at any other times. So really, if you're going to watch and anticipate, this is what you do as a trader. You map out the day. You figure out what's going on for the entire day. The first thing as a trader you should always do is map out any economic data that's going to be arriving for that pair. Even on a Sunday night, you should already have a list of all the major economic data points that are going to be coming out for that pair, and make a roadmap for yourself. Hey, there's going to be a press conference on Tuesday. I'm anticipating Monday we're not going to have a lot of movement because everyone's going to wait for Tuesday. There's an economic press release on a Tuesday. We know probably Thursday night that pair is not going to move too well until, or Wednesday night until Thursday morning when that economic news release gets put out. So you anticipate these things and you build out a story for yourself. Hey, the reason why the market's ranging or doing what it's doing is because of this. Once this passes, I'll probably see better opportunities to execute. And if you do that every week starting on a Sunday night, you'll realize that, hey, I don't need to trade till Wednesday because there's a whole bunch of data that's not coming out till Wednesday. And then once it does, the market reveals its hand and shows direction, and I can catch a trade instead of trying to play the whipsaw game Mondays and Tuesdays when there's a big news release on Wednesday. You don't need to be an institution. You just need to be a retail trader. Be a dumb caveman retail trader, and look at the market and take advantage when the market is in the best position for you. There's no point of chasing things and saying, oh, I need to trade today. There's no trade today for yourself. Close the computer, go work out, go run around your block, go back to bed. Don't get into the habit of thinking that there's opportunities every day and you have to force things. It's such a poor mentality. It's like eating when you're already full. If you were at a buffet and you're already full, don't eat just because it's a buffet. It doesn't matter. I've gone to a buffet, I've had one plate. I've spent $35 on one plate of food. I just didn't want to eat anymore. Yeah, I could have had 10 more plates, but I just didn't like it. Well, that's a waste of money. You went to a buffet, you're supposed to eat more plates. Didn't feel like it. I ate till I was full. And once I'm full, I don't have to eat anymore. Get into that habit of not abiding by the norms of what you think is norm. Just because you go to a buffet doesn't mean you need to eat like a pig. You don't need to eat 4 plates. Maybe you just want a wide selection of food and you have one plate and you're satisfied with that.